Welcome to Visual Fractions. Today, we're diving into how to convert the decimal 0.026 into a fraction. Let's start with our decimal, 0.026. Notice there are 3 digits to the right of the decimal. This places it in the thousandths position. To convert this decimal into a fraction, you initially put 0.026 over 1, essentially treating the decimal as the numerator in a fraction where the denominator is 1. This sets up the conversion process where we multiply both the numerator, 0.026, and the denominator, 1, by 1000 because there are 3 decimal places. So, 0.026 times 1000 gives us 26, and 1 times 1000 gives us 1000. This translates 0.026 to the fraction 26 over 1000. Next, we simplify. Both the numerator and the denominator in 26 1/1000ths can be divided by 2, the greatest common divisor. Divide 26 by 2 to get 13, and divide 1000 by 2 to get 500. So, 26 1/1000ths simplifies neatly to 13 over 500. And there you have it. The decimal 0.026 when converted to a fraction equals 13 over 500. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more practical math insights. Thanks for watching.